Welcome to Crispy Bombs, bite-sized bits to blow up your business. I about spit all over myself. Hey, I wanted to talk to you today about our sales and marketing super course. Now, as you know, I typically don't come on here and try to sell you stuff. I'm really passionate about this industry, and I've been really blessed. And so I try to share with you the systems, the mindset, the different ideas that hopefully will help you take your business to another level. But I really feel like I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't really hammer down on the fact of why you really need this course and why it's so good. I studied sales and marketing in college, and I've always been a great salesperson. In fact, my first sales job was when I was 5. I went door to door and sold painted rocks. It was a great business, um, but in thinking about this, if you haven't already checked it out or bought it, I can see myself back in the Birds Beware days thinking to myself, I don't need this. I've got a great sales background. And plus, we have so much business right now. We're busting at the seams. I couldn't even handle, the business right now, and 100 other lame excuses that I probably would have come up with. But look, if you have more work than you can handle right now, you definitely need this. It teaches about that. Having too much work is a really, really bad sign that you're leaving tons of work and new customers out there for your competition. It also means that you're not running your business properly and you're basically letting yourself and your employees down. But I can remember bragging about that when we were Birds Beware, and now I really know it was just kind of self-pride that was really deadly to our business. So the sales course is really going to teach you things like how to double your income without having to do more work. So it addresses these problems, and it's not by accident that some companies do more in a week than a lot of us do in a whole annual year. So look, if I could go back 10 years and talk to myself right before I started Phillips Services and then got involved with Birds Beware, and I could only take one thing, it would be this sales course. It's really that powerful. So if you're a startup, you need this course. If you're busting at the seams, you need this course. But look, if you're self-employed and happy doing all the work yourself and you don't have the time or the money or don't want it, no, you still need the course. So, look, we give you a money back guarantee on it, and for goodness sakes, you don't have anything to lose with that. But don't take my word for it. You can go to salesandmarketingsupercourse.com. I'm sorry, that's supermarketingcourse.com. I'll put the link below, but supermarketingcourse.com. Skip over the explanation that Josh gives and just read the testimonies on this thing. You'll be blown away. So there, I made my piece. If you don't take advantage of it, it's not on me anymore. But I really, I really can't emphasize enough that how good this is, and I really believe this will save you a couple of years of your life from struggling to get your business off the ground if you ever do. So this course really is the magic sauce to get you to the next level. In fact, I'm so confident in this that that this will change your life. That if you have any questions, please give me a call at 1-855-663-5937. Oh, and one last thing, I almost forgot to mention that you get 3 months of Send Jim with this as well for free. And now, if you're already a Send Jim user, we'll give you a bunch of free credits to send as well, so you can send some free cards. And look, we just finished up with our new sales tool. It's called Revenue Buddy. We went right ahead, and this was the first module that Josh taught on. It was something that we used. It really helped us to visualize where we're at, what we needed, how to close the gap to get to the goals that we set for ourselves. This is all digitized now. We spent almost $10,000 putting this thing together. You're going to get a weekly email to remind you of how you need to stay on pace. And it's all free. It's all free for you. So if you want to check that out and use this, that'd be great. Again, can't emphasize enough the Sales and Marketing Super Course. Hey, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and like, and Sales Marketing Super Course. Take care. God bless.